Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will share how to prepare the most popular DIY face mask for radiant skin. First of all, note down the ingredients you will need. 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay, 2 to 3 drops of essential oil of your choice, and 5 milliliter distilled water. Now, preparation. Mix all the ingredients to form a thick paste. Now, wash your face and apply this mixture. Then, let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse it off with warm water. Finally, pat your face dry and apply a moisturizer. Give this mask a try, and share your results with us in the comments section below. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.